こんにちは、ジャパニーズアーモのミサです。Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use わけ and this grammar point is required to pass the JLPT N3. So, わけ can mean a few things, but I'm not feeling too well, quite frankly. Maybe you can tell from the voice. So I'm going to make part 1, part 2, part 3. So today we're going to focus on how to use わけ as no wonder or it makes sense that. Okay, listen to this example sentence. Wi-Fi がつながってない。サイトが開けなかったわけだ。もう一度ゆっくり繰り返します。Wi-Fi がつながってない。サイトが開けなかったわけだ。Okay, so first, Wi-Fi. つながってない is not connected. So the dictionary form is つながる to connect. サイトが開けなかったわけだ。開く means something opens, like ドアが開く。And 開けない cannot open. 開けなかった couldn't open. And this わけだ makes sense. No wonder. Okay, so this わけだ as no wonder or it makes sense that is mainly used in the informal speech and it sounds like you're talking to yourself. I mentioned this in a few videos before. Putting this da at the end can make you sound a bit too masculine or it sounds like it's a book or it sounds like you're writing a book. So that basically means the same as です. Instead of ミサは日本人です. You could also say ミサは日本人だ. But this style is mainly used in writing and sometimes you'd hear male characters speak like this in anime or dramas. But that sounds natural if you are talking to yourself, especially if you are like surprised or you discover something, you find something. So whenever you want to say, oh, a butterfly, oh, I see this thing, you can say, jojo da, for example. Or you see a bear coming out of the woods, you'd say, kuma da. Or if you see a ghost, you'd say, yurei da. Or like I said, it's like you're talking to yourself. If you see someone doing something stupid, you can say, baka da. Wow, he's an idiot. Baka da. Or you want to say, oh, it's time. You can say, 時間だ. Or also you would see this da in front of particles, ending particles like yo, ne. So you'd have to say noun, da, ne, noun, da, yo. But I've made a lesson on this ending particle, so check it out. Anyway, that's what da is doing here. わけだ. It makes sense. No wonder. So it's like you're talking to yourself, okay? By the way, do you remember how to say it makes sense on its own? We can say なるほど, なるほど. And this is such a good way to respond to somebody saying something or somebody teaching you something. Instead of そうなんだ or そっか or そうですか, なるほど sounds much better because it sounds like you understood it, you listened to it carefully. So sometimes you also hear this なるほど and this わけだ used at the same time. You could, for example, say なるほど、サイトが開けなかったわけだ. Oh, I see. It makes sense that the website isn't open. There is another word that's also often used with わけだ. It's 通りで. This is an adverb and it can also mean the same as わけだ. So like, no wonder. So you can also say 通りでサイトが開けなかったわけだ。通りでサイトが開けなかったわけだ。It means exactly the same thing without 通りで。But this is very common as well, so remember it. 他の例文。あみちゃんは優しいし、頭もいいし、おしゃれだし、モテるわけだ。もう一度。 アミちゃんは優しいし、頭もいいし、おしゃれだし、モテるわけだ。アミちゃん is kind, smart, and fashionable. No wonder everyone fancies her. So, Ami is just a girl's name. アミちゃんは優しい kind, and 優しいし this し is used to list multiple reasons. So it's like tardy form or とか like, it can mean and, but it's used to list reasons. Okay, so 優しいし she's kind and 頭もいいし smart and 頭がいい means smart, but here が is replaced with も to make it sound like on top of that she's smart. Even her head is good. Her head also good. 頭もいいし、おしゃれだし、おしゃれな means fashionable, and in front of し you have to change the な into だ, so おしゃれだし. And then at the end, モテる means to be fancied by a lot of people. So like to be popular, but romantically. So 人気な means just to be popular, like この本は人気です. This book is popular. But you can't say この本はモテる. And it sounds like everyone is fancying the book in a romantic way, which is weird. And then わけだ. No wonder. It makes sense that. It's only natural that. 他の例文. Imagine someone being all clumsy, okay? And then you're looking at the person and you can say 道理でドジって言われるわけだ。道理でドジって言われるわけだ。So 道理で, remember? No wonder. Just like わけだ. Doji is similar to おっちょこちょい. Do you guys know what that means? It means clumsy. It refers to a clumsy person. Doji or おっちょこちょい. You'll often hear couples saying もうドジだな to each other. Or もうおっちょこちょいだな. So, もう is like geez, but in a kind of cute way. Geez, you're so clumsy. おっちょこちょい or ドジだな. Na again is also used when talking to yourself. Anyway, ドジって言われるわけだ。という or ていう more informally, like to say what, to say quote. And then 言われる, this is in the passive form. People say this to you or people say this to me. You often use this passive form. 言われる. And then わけだ. No wonder. 他の例文。日本に来てどのくらい ?10 年ぐらいかな。ああ、日本語が上手なわけだ。日本に来てどのくらい ?10 年ぐらいかな。ああ、日本語が上手なわけだ。This is such a common thing to hear. Not just like 日本語, but like 英語、フランス語、ドイツ語, just any language plus が上手なわけだ。Like, oh, makes sense that your English, French, Japanese is good. So as you can see, 上手なわけだ。上手な is an adjective, and sometimes な disappears, or you have to replace な with だ. But here you just put なわけだ. Okay? So the adjective popular, 人気な can also be like 人気なわけだ. Another example, 他の例文。熱が38度もある。体がだるいわけだ。熱が38度もある。体がだるいわけだ。This is how I feel right now. あ、体だるい。喉痛い。So, 熱 fever. 熱がある I have a fever. 38 度 degree. 38度もある. This も is added to express that it's high number. Whenever you want to express that something is a lot, there's a lot of it, you'd put this mo after counters. Like you can say, I made 100 friends. You can say, 友達100人もできた. I mean, this is 10, but you know what I mean. 友達が100人もできた. Or I used to often say, ゲーセンで1万円も使っちゃった. ゲーセンで1万円も使っちゃった. Oops, I spent 10,000 yen in the arcade. Yeah, I'm not proud of it, but yeah, I used to have a serious problem. So this mo expresses that 1万円, 10,000 yen is a lot. 体がだるい means I feel sluggish or I feel heavy. My body feels heavy. So when you're feeling under the weather, you can say 体がだるい. Then わけだ makes sense. Okay, another example. このゼリーは美味しいのにカロリーゼロ。人気なわけだ。このゼリーは美味しいのにカロリーゼロ。人気なわけだ。This jelly is delicious but has no calories. No wonder it's popular. So 美味しい delicious. And this のに means but. I already made a lesson on it, so please check it out. So although it's delicious, カロリーゼロ. Zero calories. 人気なわけだ. No wonder it's popular. 最後の例文。キキちゃん、どうしたの？私がキキはホグワーツに行けないって言ったから。そりゃ機嫌悪いわけだ。キキちゃん、どうしたの？私がキキはホグワーツに行けないって言ったから。そりゃ機嫌悪いわけだ。Okay, so キキちゃん。わかる人にはわかる。Maybe some of you understand the reference. Anyway, キキちゃん、どうしたの？ What's wrong with キキちゃん？ And the other person said, 私が I 言ったから。Because I said, キキはホグワーツに行けない。キキ can't go to Hogwarts. So, because I said, キキ can't go to Hogwarts. And then at the end, そりゃ機嫌悪いわけだ。No wonder she is in a bad mood. 機嫌 means mood. 機嫌が悪い means someone is in a bad mood. わけだ makes sense. No wonder. And then at the beginning I said そりゃ, right? そりゃ is a very casual way to say それは. それは. This is another one that's also often used with わけだ. You'll hear 通りでda da 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 わけだ and also そりゃ da 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 わけだ Okay? Alright, now I have to go lie down and rest. I'm not feeling well. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up. And stay tuned for the part 2 because わけ has a lot more meanings. Alright, じゃあまたね。バイバイ。